I packed 9 pieces, built 7 outfits, and I wore 3 pair of shoes because, hello, I'm a shoeaholic. And but I went from the pool to dinner and everything in between. But that's it. That's a whole weekend I spent at the Ritz-Carlton Lake Oconee because every year my team and I head to the Ritz because it's a fabulous place to take photos and just wonderful content for YouTube. So we have wedding dresses coming up, special occasion dresses. We have swimwear coming up and then some active wear. But today I'm just going to share what I packed for the weekend. And one of the nicest things about being in our 50s and beyond, yes, I'm 67, is that we finally know what works for us. We know what we reach for. We know what makes us feel beautiful. And we know we don't need to pack a suitcase full of maybes anymore. So when I put this capsule together, I had one rule. Every piece had to earn its place. Nothing was going to sit in the suitcase untouched because everything had to feel like me. And I think many of the pieces will feel just like you, especially if you love classic sound just as much as I do. But this is just a more relaxed take on that. And again, 9 pieces, 7 outfits, 1 suitcase. And everything is from Nordstrom. I'm having a collab with them over on Instagram, so when I was thinking about what I wanted to do, I came up with this theme, and that really is resort wear, vacation wear. And again, everything is linked in the description box down below. So let's start with the dresses because I want you to see them first. The first one is this gorgeous green palm print halter midi. And both dresses are from Maggie London. I think that's just really a great dress brand, very reasonably priced, and Nordstrom carries a lot of their inventory. But I love the beaded neckline and has a little tie at the waist and the most beautiful tiered hem. And this is a dress I planned the whole trip around. The second is brown and cream gingham wrap dress. And I've shown gingham dresses before. I have another one, very relaxed. It's a shirt dress. This is a little bit more tailored. It's sleeveless and just has a little bow on the side. Love it. So just love the little side tie, and it's just a very classic piece. And this one truly is going to do more work than you think, and you'll see. Then I have a set. It's a matching printed linen button down and matching printed shirts. And ladies, I had so many compliments on this set. I just really did. It's beautiful abstract wavy design in blue, pink, green, and brown. And one of my favorite things about this set is that it can be worn together or each piece can work on its own. And I built 3 different outfits out of these 2 pieces alone. And if you are thinking that maybe, this abstract wavy print isn't for you, so this is from Vitamin A, yes, available on Nordstrom, and they have at least 8 to 10 matching sets that you can pick from. But y'all know I love pink, so this one came with me. And as I said, I received so many compliments. But then going back to classic style, so I brought along a crisp white linen button-down shirt. And this is from Caslon, and that's a Nordstrom-made brand that's very, very affordable, great quality, love it. But this is going to be the sleeper piece of the capsule. I promise you, watch what it can do. Then a white rib cotton tank, scoop neck clean, just a really good quality basic. Again, I believe this is from Caslon. And a pair of striped linen wide leg pants with a drawstring waist. And I have a lot of linen pants, and I just want to point this one out. I really love the flow of it. And for my very tall ladies, I'm 5'8", have long legs. I have to have these hemmed up. So if you struggle with finding the right hem, for long legs, definitely try these pants out. But I just love them. So comfortable, so elevated, so easy. And they will just go with so many things all summer long. And because, as I mentioned, we went to the pool. So I had this beautiful pink one-piece swimsuit, and this is from La Bianca, I believe. It's a square neckline. It's just super simple, but it's very, very attractive too. Square neckline, ruched middle, so it's ruched on the side, but then it, kind of gathers in the middle. It's just a very flattering cut. Okay, are you ready to get into the outfits? And the arrival outfit. So this is what I wore. It's just a 45-minute drive from my house, and which I absolutely love. This absolutely gorgeous, world-renowned resort is within 45 minutes of my house. So, and as I said, my team and I, we go every year. It's just become a tradition. We just have so much fun and just such a beautiful setting. And this year, the weather was absolute perfection. But outfit number 1 is what I wore for the drive down and the check-in. So I wore the striped linen wide leg pants, the white rib tank, and then I threw the white linen button down over the top because it was just a little bit cool. think it was 70 degrees when I actually drove to the hotel. And then I wore the Cole Haan sneakers with this outfit. And I want to tell you a little something about what a lot of us miss. What we wear on travel day matters. And not because anyone is watching, but because of how it makes us feel when we walk into a beautiful place. And I've said this many times, clothes, we really do feel a certain way when we are wearing a very special outfit, or it doesn't even have to be special, but I mean, those outfits that we absolutely love. I mean, the right outfit just really makes us stand up taller and it just makes us more attractive. It truly does. And when I arrive somewhere looking just a little bit put together, I feel like the version of me I want to be on that trip. And after 50, that feeling is something worth paying attention to. Ladies, we have not expired. We are in our best decade, I think, or best decades. So I'll just break the outfit down a little bit because the tank is what makes the outfit. If I just thrown on a basic t-shirt from the drawer, the whole thing would have read like errands. But with this beautiful scoop neck tank, it's structured enough to hold its shape and it becomes an outfit. The striped pants have that drawstring waist so they're comfortable for a long drive, but they look polished. And the Cole Haan sneakers add just enough lift and are so comfortable to wear. And then again, I just threw the linen button down over the top. I could have tied it at the waist, but I just left it open. And I'm very casual, but very pulled together for check-in. And outfit 2 is where the capsule really starts earning its keep. So this is a gingham wrap dress with the white linen shirt worn over the top, just as a topper. So there again, you can just leave it unbuttoned, just like I did with the drawstring pants. And if you need that third layer, but you just don't want to go with a jean jacket or, something, too maybe heavy, this is definitely the trick. And the dress on its own is absolutely gorgeous. It truly is. And this is what I want you to take away from this entire video, even if you don't take anything else. Learning how to restyle is the most underrated skill in a woman's wardrobe. It's how 9 pieces become 7 outfits. It's how the closet you already own starts feeling like it has so much more in it. You don't always need more grit and glamours. You need to see what you have in a different way. Outfit number 3. So this is definitely my pool outfit, and I do love spending the day at the pool. And this pink one-piece swimsuit, love it. And the printed shirt from the linen set, the matching linen set, it's just worn open as a cover-up. And then this is where I really added my third pair of shoes, and those are my Jack Rogers sandals. And then I just brought along a lovely straw tote and, of course, sunglasses. And don't forget the sunscreen. But I want to talk to you about swimsuits for a minute because I get so many messages about this. And I understand every single one of them. I mean, hello. I think, I've been traumatized by swimsuits since I was probably 13 and, a little bit more conscious about my body. And I think all of us knows what it's like to go shopping for a swimsuit, especially when you are at the store and you're under fluorescent lights and maybe you don't have a tan yet. I know it can be a lot, but here's where I've landed when it comes to swimsuits. A beautiful one-piece suit that fits you well is one of the most flattering things a woman can own at any age. And the pink one I'm wearing has a gorgeous square neckline. I love it. And again, I said it had ruching on the sides, which then, makes it a little bit more fitted in the middle. And I just really think that gives it a very flattering cut that feels modern and sophisticated. And I felt pretty in it. And that's the whole point. And I felt comfortable in it. And I never thought that I was, having to tug or, pull up the straps or anything like that. It's just a beautiful fit. And I want to say this gently because I mean it, since we're talking about swimsuits. We owe it to ourselves, ladies, to be in the water, to be at the pool, to be in the photographs of the people we love. Yes, even the poolside ones, even in a swimsuit. There's no reason to hide from a photo that captures a memory. Those are the photos our children and grandchildren will go back to one day. So let's not hide grit and glamours. Let's show up as our authentic selves. Embracing aging, embracing the moment, embracing the life we're actually living. And the printed shirt is the cover-up moment. It's oversized, it's lightweight, beautiful abstract print, and it does more than one job. And I wore it here at the pool as a cover-up, and I also wore it later as half of the matching set. One piece, 2 very different looks. And I've actually worn this with other pants that I own in my closet. I mean, it's a little bit long, so you do have to tie it when you're wearing it with shorts, but it'll also go beautifully over a sleeveless linen dress. So lots of options there. And before I show you the next outfit, and this is the one I plan the whole trip around, I want to do something quickly. If you want every single link to this video, just head to the description box down below. Nordstrom always puts everything on screen to the left, and we will put them in the comments as well because nobody has time for a scavenger hunt, and we still get questions about where we can purchase this and where we can purchase that. So we're trying to make it easy for you. And also, ladies, if this video is helping you so far, a thumbs up really does make a difference for this channel. It's a small thing, but it matters. So thank you. Now, let me tell you about this dress because it really is beautiful. And I want to be honest with you. When I was deciding whether to buy this dress, I thought about how many times I'd actually wear it. A few dinners a year, a trip like this one, maybe a special occasion, and I bought it anyway. Because I've learned something over the last few years about the dresses we wear for the moments we want to remember. Those dresses are worth it. They really are. And as I mentioned, this is Maggie London, and I think it's a mid-price point brand, great quality, and so it's just not, I don't think it's going to scare you as much as some other brands that I do share. And what I love about this dress is that it does the work for you. The beaded neckline is essentially your necklace. No extra jewelry needed. The print is a statement. The tiered hem has movement. And I kept everything else quiet on purpose. A small clutch, the same raffia kitten heels I've been wearing all weekend because they really do go with a lot of the items that I packed. And a simple pair of gold earrings. When a dress is doing the work, the accessories can whisper. Let the dress have its moment. And if I could tell you one thing about building a vacation wardrobe, it would be this. Invest in the dress that makes you feel beautiful. One good one. That's all you need. You'll wear it for years and you will feel like yourself every single time you put it on. Outfit 5 is the printed set moment. So I have the same printed shirt you just saw me wearing at the pool over the suit, but now I'm putting it with the matching printed shorts. So it's buttoned up and then I tied it at the waist because it really is a very long linen blouse, which I do like, but the shorts were a little bit shorter, so that's why I tied the top. But together, it's worn as a coordinated set. Such a fun outfit. It's bold, I'll own that. But when a print is this pretty and the pieces match, it reads as intentional. It reads as chic. It's a kind of outfit that makes people stop you at the hotel bar and ask where it's from. And I shared with you, I received so many compliments on this outfit and then the blouse as a cover-up. So I kept the styling simple on purpose. Same raffia kitten heels, small bag, natural makeup. When a print is this loud, everything else needs to be quiet. And I want you to notice, this is the third different outfit I've made out of pieces you've already seen. That's what a good capsule does. Outfit 6 and 7. So I'm going to share two more ways to wear the gingham dress because we just need 2 quick looks to finish because I haven't shown you the gingham dress on its own yet. And it really is so beautiful. And it looks gorgeous with the raffia heels and again, a small raffia bag and a pair of simple gold earrings. This is the lunch at the hotel outfit. Classic, easy, polished. Or you could take it out to dinner too. And outfit 7. So the same gingham dress with the white linen shirt again, but this time we're going to tie it at the waist. So it's worn like a casual overlay. I mean, almost like a jacket. And with the raffia heels, it just looks like perfection, especially for a casual evening out. Drinks on the terrace, a sunset walk. But before I wrap this up, I want to give you 3 styling principles that made this whole capsule work. Because the pieces matter, but the principles are what you can take with you no matter where you shop. First, restyle. Don't replicate. One dress worn 3 ways is 3 outfits. One shirt worn open, buttoned, or tied at the waist is 3 different looks. You don't always need more. You need to see what you have differently. Second, choose one connective piece. For this trip, it was the raffia kitten heels. For your next trip, it might be a great belt. It could be a necklace you wear every day, or it could be a neutral blazer. One piece that shows up in most of your outfits creates visual cohesion and cuts your packing in half. Third, fabric quality over quantity. So that's linen, silk, Pima cotton. Structured blends. These fabrics travel well and they feel good against your skin. Spend on fabric, not on volume. 3 principles, 9 pieces, 7 outfits. That is the whole thing. So the lesson isn't pack less for the sake of packing less. The lesson is pack with intention. Every pair had a job. Every pair did its job. Nothing sat in the suitcase untouched. That's the whole philosophy of this capsule in one sentence. Don't pack maybes, pack pieces that have a job to do. There you go, Grit and Glamours, 9 pieces, 7 outfits, 1 weekend I'm going to remember for a very long time. And here's what I want you to do before you click away. Every single piece in this video is linked in the description box down below. It's also written on a full blog post over at styleatacertainage.com. Resort wear for women over 50 that walks through every outfit with a shoppable list, the styling notes, and a printable packing checklist. But if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. It's a small thing, but it really does matter for this little channel of mine. And subscribe so I can keep showing up in your Sunday video selections. And I'll see you right back here next week. Thanks so much for stopping by. Remember, Grit and Glam Club, style has no expiration date.